Who's on your right side?
What?
Who's on the right side?
I want 3 people that way and 2 people this way. I don't care what, but 3 y'all this side, 1 more, those 2, 1 more. I don't care who. So when you or whoever y'all go, just spread out this one, and then that orange one. Okay. Okay? And then y'all got it over here. We're good?
Ran right into my screen. Oh, you're hit. Come on. All right. Shit. Oh, there goes my pot back. Well, I got 2 up so far. Shit. God, I gotta get a new pot back. Center 40, center 40, center 40. Sorry. Back right, back right, back right. Here, switch sides with me, switch sides with me. What'd you see over here?
One person from the other side.
Okay. Oh, well. I swear to God, I just hit him. God, there goes my pod pack again. Back left is gone! Back left is gone! Center, or left 50, left 50, left 50! We got one on the left 50.
Can I go right and I see if you go in the middle?
Yeah. You want to go? Go ahead. Yo, is this still game on?
Hey,
Game over?
Yeah.
Oh. All right. Nice. Well, this CP685 shoots pretty damn straight. I love this thing. Help these guys with their pods. Well, I got 4 kills.
Okay, tell your teammates to quit. I shot you running into the pit. You did not. You did not. I was there. We all know.
Hey, who's pod?
You got me at the end.
Hey guys, who's black pod?
Mine. Thank you.
Yep.
Dildo, and you're gonna get that correct, sir.
Yeah, man, I forgot my pod too.
I 75 with us like that. No, I specifically remember that real quick because we played